Stop choking on chunky smoothies and wasting money on weak motors that burn out after a month. I've found the few budget blenders that actually crush ice into snow. In this video, I am going to break down the top 5 best affordable blenders you can buy right now. I'll show you exactly how they perform in real-world kitchen tests, not just what the box says. We are going to see which ones are hidden gems and which ones you should absolutely avoid. 5. Consciot CB08. On paper, this thing looks like an absolute beast, boasting a 900-watt motor and an 11-piece set that feels like you are getting a lot for your money. When I first unboxed it, I was impressed by the sheer volume of accessories. You get 3 different cups, multiple lids, and a solid base that feels reasonably heavy. I started my testing with a standard protein shake mixed with a banana, and it handled that effortlessly, creating a decent vortex and incorporating the powder well. The hands-free operation is a nice touch. You just lock the cup in place, and it does the work without you needing to hold it down, which is a convenience I definitely appreciated during busy mornings. However, as I moved on to tougher ingredients, the cracks in the armor started to show. I loaded the cup with frozen strawberries and ice cubes to test that 900-watt claim. While it did eventually crush them, the motor emitted a noticeable electrical ozone smell, a classic sign of a motor working harder than it likes to. It was also surprisingly loud, with a high-pitched whine that was significantly more grating than the other blenders on this list. It's the kind of noise that makes you hesitate to use it if anyone else is sleeping in the house. Another issue I encountered during the green smoothie test was the blade design. While the manufacturer claims it has a unique asymmetric blade, I found that small bits of spinach and kale often got trapped under the blades rather than being pulled into the cyclone. This resulted in a texture that was mostly smooth, but still had those annoying little leafy flakes that get stuck in your teeth. The plastic of the cups also felt a bit thinner and more brittle compared to the premium brands. After just a week of dishwasher cycles, I noticed some slight clouding on the plastic. Number 4. Nutribullet NBR-0601. This is the blender that essentially started the personal blending craze, and its compact size is undeniably charming. It takes up almost no counter space, which is perfect if you are working in a cramped apartment or a dorm room. In my testing, I really loved the bullet shape for making quick salsas and chopping onions. It actually works better as a mini food processor for small tasks than it does as a heavy-duty smoothie maker. For soft fruits like fresh berries or melons, it works just fine, and the simple push-down activation is intuitive and quick. But let's be real about the performance drawbacks here. The motor is only 250 watts, and in 2025, that is severely underpowered for modern smoothie habits. When I tried to make a thick acai bowl with frozen fruit, the magic bullet struggled hard. The blades would spin, but the fruit just sat on top, forcing me to stop, take the cup off, shake it violently, and try again multiple times. It was a frustrating morning ritual. The lack of power means it relies on liquid to get anything moving, so you end up with a watery juice rather than a thick, creamy smoothie. I also have to mention the durability of the gasket. During my third test with a particularly icy blend, I noticed a small amount of liquid leaking from the base of the blade assembly into the motor unit. This is a common complaint with this model, and experiencing it firsthand was disappointing. It essentially means you have to be very careful not to overfill it or use hot liquids, which limits its versatility. The texture of the drinks it produced was consistently grainier than the others. Nutribullet NBR-0601WM. This is where we see a massive leap in performance and reliability. With a 600-watt motor, this feels like the true sweet spot for a personal blender. It's not trying to be a commercial kitchen appliance, but it has enough torque to actually handle the job. When I tested this with the same frozen strawberry and kale recipe that defeated the magic bullet, the Nutribullet tore through it without stalling. The cyclonic action they advertise isn't just marketing fluff. You can actually see the ingredients being pulled down into the blades and circulating back up, which creates a much more consistent blend. The user experience is incredibly straightforward. There are no buttons to confuse you. You just push and twist to lock it on. I found the texture of the smoothies to be significantly smoother than the previous 2 entries. The kale was completely pulverized, leaving no chunky bits behind, just a uniform green liquid. The cups are also made of a durable, high-impact plastic that feels substantial in the hand and survived multiple drops during my stress testing without cracking. One of the things I really appreciated was the noise profile. While it's not silent by any means, it has a lower, rumbly pitch compared to the high-pitched scream of the Consciot, making it much more tolerable to use. Cleanup is also a breeze. The blade assembly rinses off easily, and the cups are top-rack dishwasher safe. If I had to nitpick, I'd say it can still struggle slightly if you pack it too full of ice without enough liquid, but unlike the Magic Bullet, a quick shake usually fixes it immediately. Number 2. Beast B12 MHBEUS. Let's just address the elephant in the room. This is the best looking blender I have ever tested. The aesthetic is stunning, with a rib jar design and a sleek button-free base that looks like a piece of modern art rather than a kitchen appliance. But it's not just about looks. That rib design on the jar actually serves a functional purpose. During my testing, I noticed that the ribs create internal turbulence that disrupts the flow of ingredients, forcing them back onto the blade assembly more frequently than a smooth round cup does. The result? The smoothest blend texture of the entire group. When I made a cashew-based sauce, the Beast rendered it perfectly creamy with zero grit, something usually reserved for blenders that cost 3 times as much. The 600-watt motor is tuned perfectly to the blade size, and it runs surprisingly quietly. It doesn't roar, it hums. It feels precise and engineered. I also love the tactile feel of the power switch and the LED ring that lets you know when it's active. It feels premium in every way. Another huge plus is the drinking lid. Most blender lids are an afterthought, but the Beast comes with a carry cap that screws on tight and has a really comfortable mouthfeel. It's designed to be taken to the gym or the office without looking like you're carrying a blender cup. The only reason this isn't number 1 is that the capacity is strictly for single servings, and the price point is a bit higher than the others. However, if you care about design and want the absolute smoothest texture possible in a small package, this is a phenomenal piece of engineering that I found myself reaching for purely because it was such a joy to use. One, Bear LJ B12K1. This blender completely surprised me and earned the top rank by offering the perfect hybrid between a personal blender and a full-size countertop unit. Unlike the others on this list, which are strictly bullet style, the Bear gives you a 700-watt motor with a larger 40-ounce jar. This was a game changer during my testing week because it meant I could make a large batch of smoothies for myself and my partner in one go, rather than blending 2 separate cups. The versatility here is unmatched. It features a 3-speed control knob plus a pulse function, giving you actual control over the texture. With the other blenders, it's 1 speed, fast. But with the Bear, I was able to use the lower speed to make chunky salsa and the high speed to liquefy frozen fruits. The autonomous nature of the blending experience is fantastic. The suction cup feet keep it glued to the counter, so even when I was crushing a full pitcher of ice, it didn't walk across the table. I threw everything at this machine: whole carrots, beet chunks, huge ice cubes, and the 700-watt motor didn't even flinch. What really sets it apart is the value. You are getting the capacity and control of a much more expensive machine for a price that competes with the budget personal blenders. The jar is lightweight but durable, and the measuring cap on the lid allows you to add liquid while blending, a feature the bullet blenders completely lack. The blend quality was consistently excellent, matching the Nutribullet and coming very close to the Beast. For the sheer amount of utility, power, and capacity you get, the Bear LLJ B12K1 is hands down the best affordable blender I have tested. It solves the capacity issue of personal blenders while maintaining the compact footprint and affordability we are looking for.